Hey, this is a sample based production. You're not gonna find this sample anywhere because I created it myself. Um, Look, on this, the drums are gonna come in very late. I just want to kind of draw you in with the emotions. I hope you enjoy. This is called My Life, My Way. Don't worry, the drums are coming. I always like to be different. Take the drums out, let the vibe go on. This is something you would tell your life story to. Drums. Support your boy. Go to cyclekid.com. Love y'all. Respect y'all. I'm always here for y'all.